Good day everyone. Today I will explain the course Human-Computer Interactions for the Assignment 3 mobile applications. There are similar applications, speech synthesizer, Virginia application, and also text-to-voice applications. The significant about these are to provide a useful application with learning tools and academic for educational and knowledge, and also to give output voice from input text aims for disability difficulty in communicating with others in a society. So what is the speech synthesizer, also known as Stephen Hawking application? For the pros or advantages for this are easily input text to give output voice from input sentences or praise. For the cons or disadvantages are attracts less users' interest, improvement of interface and GUI, network connection is required, type and size of font, constraint on eyes and not recommend for user. It is very easy, but it is very not recommend for user because the interface or GUI are not very what user desires. In conclusion, lack of interesting on interface brings user not approaching or interacting with the application. How to make a better like similar apps such as Virginia for disability application. So what and how it is? It is an application transforms your smartphone into a communicator, which is just a fingertip to click and then voice out. What is the steps? First, click on any image user desires, and then the voice out. So what are the pros? Fast voice prompt, not complex, avoid communicating problems, no required data connection, user-friendly and understands users' need and requests. For the cons, adjustment of tone voice, many times of clicking back button to search for another image. Many images but put one in a box and limited row and column. What are the good design about the Virginia application? Row and column are consistent and not messy. Font type are nice to see and not constrained to eyes. Voice are loud able to hear clearly. Consistent of the characters, high contrast and quality image. While for the bad design are background color of certain picture not according to certain aspects. For example, leisure and going places are not in different color, which not easy to identify such aspects. And also static of an image. Next, what are the suggestions to improve in certain aspects are categorize aspects with certain color. For example, entertainment, going places, words are aspects in different category which should be put some different color to easily recognize and identify by the users. Animation and movement of image. For example, if there's image whether high or by, should have animation on it so that user can easily identify and not hard to search for it. So next, what is the similar application is text-to-voice application. So what are the features is easy to use, which open and read allow text file, export text as audio file. And then easy to use across application. You can use copy to speak feature, copy text or URL to the clipboard and tap the floating speak button. Can share text or URL to T2S. If using Android and 6.0 Plus, then you can select the text and tap speak option from text menu. Next, for the pros, copy-paste text and voices out, change accent of language, change size of text and its visibility and tone color, to speak accurately and confident when communicate. High contrast, consistent text and organized setting. Audio can be exported after read. So while for the cons, require internet connection for searching engine. The apps read through every single word without miss, but are able to speak only user wish for highlighted text. The text read not real human tone voice. Need to upgrade and buy for special features. Certain Android version suitable for certain features. The voices doesn't give hint till which text been read. cannot exceed 1000 words of copy text. So what are the good design about the text-to-voice applications? Option to choose for users are not only one, means that can be setting whatever user wish. Is a way of attracting users' interaction. And consistent color of text and input text are consistent and not letting eyes become tired. And also user able to open the file and voice out the open file with a very clear voices. While for the bad design, they cannot revert back to default whatever changes has made by user. User need to search file, which difficult for user to recognize the applicability of file. So what are the suggestions to improve in certain aspects? Provides a certain sentences highlighted by user only to read. For example, when user highlights the sentences in the whole pages of the screen, the application only shall voices out the highlighted text by user. Voices giving hint read till reach text. For example, the text shall be highlighted when voice reach on that text. Provide suitable voice tone in certain station. For example, storybooks. When it comes in the beginning or ending of a story, the voices should be changeable, means that not only single tone